Girl, slow down. Or dude, whoever's watching this. I'm just hearing slow down. What are you in a rush for? Where do you have to be? That is that important that you're rushing around all over the place. You got road rage. Like, you know, there's an accident that you got to be to. Okay? Guilty. Me. Hey. Okay, I zoom all over the place. Well, I used to until I really just have learned the past couple weeks to slow down. Where do you have to go? Where do you have to be? That is that important for you to be like, what are you doing? Get out of my way. You're driving slow. Get out of the fast lane. You know, y'all know, okay? If you know, you know. And here's the thing that I've also had to teach myself is that number one, we don't know what the person in front of us is going through. Like, we don't know what kind of day they're having. We don't know, like, what's going on, right? And every time, like, still, I'll be having a little bit of road rage, and I'm like, come on, get it. And then I'm like, Melissa, slow down. You don't know who that is. You don't know what type of day they're having. Like, chillax, okay? And if you're new here, okay, my camera actually died, so the audio and the video might not be as great on this one, but we use what we have. But what I was saying is, if you're new here, my name's Melissa. I am a recovering addict, 11 years sober. I can't believe it. In fact, my 11-year date was April 17th, which was just 5 days ago, so really proud of that. I've been working on social media for almost 6 years. This channel used to be a DIY channel. Long story short, life got really busy. I had multiple kids, and I really realized that I was harming myself, trying to kill myself to get content out there. So I took a break. During that break, I had been super successful. Surprisingly, not surprisingly, but it was just unexpected. I ended up doing super well, super quickly on TikTok Shop, and that's kind of where I stayed for the last year and a half, and I just got this urge to come back to YouTube. So here I am. So I switched my channel name because DIY really doesn't align with me or my message anymore. It's not my everyday life or my lived experience anymore. And so I kind of wanted to change this channel to be more me. And I know without a shadow of a doubt that my calling here on earth is to go through bullshit and come out on top and then share my story in hopes that it will help other people. And so I just really want you guys to try to slow down. Live in the present moment. As hard as that is, trust me, I know you guys. I only ever talk to you guys from a place of like, I've been there, I've done that, I understand. And here's how I'm navigating through it because of XYZ. So me living in the present moment is something that's really hard for me because my entire life I've lived in the past and been depressed. I lived in the future and been anxious. And when you are homeless in the streets and really you have no other options but to live moment by moment, I really learned how to live in the moment back then, but I didn't like realize that that's what I was doing. I was just surviving. I call it survival mode, but God, the universe, our higher power does not want us to be in survival mode. They want us relaxing, receiving, being and living in our true divine feminine power, which is soft and accepting help and not trying to be this like warrior who can carry everything on our back. That's not the way it was meant to be. We are meant to take care of our bodies, take care of our minds, take care of our souls, take care of the family, and bring that good, calm energy to whoever, our family, the world, etc. But we've been so damn conditioned and it's been drilled in our heads to be so tough and do everything on our own. And yeah, we got to be strong and we're weak if we don't. And No. No. I'm here to tell you, slow down, take a deep breath, live in the very present moment. What do you have right here and now to be grateful for? I talk about that all the time because I have to do that to myself all day long and be like, nope, bring it back to the present moment. What am I grateful for right now? Nope, flip that switch. Go back to yesterday's video because I literally teach you guys how to do this. It's not something that most people can catch on to like immediately. Over time, I've gotten better and better and better. And now my mind just automatically does it for me. I don't even have to think and be like, oh, flip the switch. My mind just flips the switch automatically now because I've trained it to do so. And so I would recommend to start listening to either daily or nightly affirmations. It doesn't even have to be something that you're listening to. You're playing it for your subconscious mind because your subconscious mind is always listening. And believe it or not, your subconscious mind is a lot stronger than you think it is. And your subconscious mind determines a lot of things for you. Your subconscious mind can make or break anything in your life. And people wonder, oh, well, Melissa, how do they control us? How do they condition us? Like, that's how. Your subconscious mind, hearing frequencies, this goes really deep, and this is probably another video topic. So if you guys want me to go a little bit deeper into this, I will. But for this video, I just want to say that, like, that's why you always have to be protecting yourself and making sure that you're feeding your subconscious mind good things, because you don't know what other things are at play that you don't even realize are feeding your subconscious mind. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, slow down, take a deep breath. It's gonna be okay. Let me know down in the comments, what is one thing that you wish that you could be a little bit more present with? I would love to hear, and maybe we can try to like work through things together as like a community. I don't know, but let me know down below. I would love to hear from you. Here's your reminder to move your body, eat your breakfast, eat your lunch, fuel your body with good whole foods. And I truly, truly hope that this helps somebody out there. If nobody has told you today, you're stunning, you're worthy, you're gorgeous, you can literally do anything you set your mind to. Do you hear me? If I can do it, 11 years sober, if I can build this beautiful life from absolutely nothing, so the fuck can you. So subscribe if you haven't already, share it with a friend who you think might need to hear this, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Love ya.